The future of ChatGPT, latest updates and advancements. Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, and OpenAI's ChatGPT is at the forefront of this transformation. With each iteration, ChatGPT becomes more powerful, intuitive, and adaptable. In this blog, we explore the latest updates, expected features, and how ChatGPT is shaping the future of AI-powered interactions. 1. Enhanced context understanding. One of the key areas of improvement in the latest versions of ChatGPT is its ability to maintain long-term context in conversations. OpenAI is working on memory features that allow ChatGPT to remember user preferences, past interactions, and personalize responses accordingly. 2. Multimodal capabilities. Recent updates are enabling ChatGPT to process not just text but also images, audio, and video inputs. This means users can interact with AI in a more dynamic way, from analyzing images to generating real-time spoken responses. 3. Real-time internet access. While earlier versions had a knowledge cutoff, future ChatGPT models are expected to have real-time browsing capabilities. This ensures that users get up-to-date information, making ChatGPT a more reliable assistant for news, research, and fact-checking. 4. AI agents and automation. OpenAI is developing AI agents that can take actions on behalf of users. These agents will be capable of handling complex tasks like booking appointments, managing emails, and even automating workflows across different apps. 5. Custom GPTs and personalization. Users can now create and fine-tune their own versions of ChatGPT to suit their specific needs. Whether for business, education, or entertainment, personalized AI assistants will revolutionize user experiences. 6. Improved ethical guardrails. With growing concerns about misinformation and ethical AI usage, OpenAI is implementing stronger safeguards. Future updates will focus on reducing biases, improving content moderation, and ensuring AI-generated responses align with ethical guidelines. 7. Integration with smart devices. ChatGPT is expected to integrate seamlessly with IoT devices, allowing users to control smart home appliances, schedule tasks, and even interact with wearable technology using natural language commands. 8. More human-like interaction. The latest versions of ChatGPT are designed to sound more natural, with improved tone, humor, and conversational fluidity. AI will be able to express emotions, adapt to user moods, and provide a more engaging experience. 9. AI-powered creativity. ChatGPT is becoming a valuable tool for creators, offering assistance in writing scripts, generating AI art prompts, composing music, and even brainstorming innovative ideas. 10. Enterprise and professional applications. Businesses are increasingly adopting AI-powered chatbots for customer service, data analysis, and workflow automation. Future updates will enhance ChatGPT's ability to provide in-depth analytics, automate repetitive tasks, and improve overall efficiency. The future of ChatGPT is bright, with continuous advancements making it an indispensable tool for users worldwide. Whether you're an individual looking for a smart assistant or a business aiming for efficiency, the upcoming ChatGPT innovations will redefine how we interact with AI. Stay tuned for more updates as AI technology continues to evolve. Subscribe for more AI and tech content. Like and share if you found this helpful.